welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Darlene. Today I'm going to be reviewing this sewing kit right here. Let's go ahead and get right into this. It does have this little strap thing if you want to hang it on something just to keep it out of the way, but it's actually really small, but it has a lot to it. So this is what it looks like. As you can see, you have everything that you'll need to fix something, like if you have maybe something with a hole or something in it. So you have these threads right here. You have a black and white and then some multicolored threads. You have a little pin cushion right here to stick your pins in, which these are the pins right there. You have little clippies to clip stuff onto each other. You have buttons. You have different types of needles. You have a little magnifying glass if you need to see something up close. Some safety pins, some needle hooks, more buttons. You have some little plastic safety pins. These are your spoolies, scissors, and then it also does come with these type of scissors right here. You have little buttons, like the kind that you clasp together. This is for drawing on fabric if you want to like mark something up. This is for what do you call this? It's like a stitch cutter. Like if you want to take something apart, you would use this right here. Some more different clips, a thimble. This is a different type of thimble. A measuring tape to measure waist and stuff or whatever you're making. Some tweezers that have some like grip on them. These are like bigger little needle things if you're wanting to maybe sew something that has bigger holes. You could use that. This is a little crochet it looks like a 3.5 millimeter crochet hook. And then you have all these different color yarns. It actually has quite a bit of yarn in each one. These are actually big, but this is just a super handy kit to have on hand. You can keep this in your vehicle or something if you're like out in public or something and you have a wardrobe malfunction. This is really nice to have. I know that it's happened to me and multiple of my family members many times where like we'll be out and about and like a strap or something breaks. This would be nice to have, and you have all these different options. You have everything you would need to fix like a hole or something. So very nice, and it comes with this little carrying case so you can keep everything nice and compacted. And then when you're done using it, you just do that. But yeah, that completes this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. God bless.